Szymon Góralski, Przegląd Lig Bałtyckich. Czy z Malmö trzeba będzie zagrać na najwyższym możliwym poziomie, jaki stać RFS aktualnie? I czy zespół jest na to gotowy? A druga sprawa to jak wygląda sytuacja zdrowotna Herdiego Pręgi? Dziękuję.
Ja, vai RFS var spēlē pret Malmö savā augstā līmenī rītdien, un kāda ir situācija ir Herdi Prenga, vai viņš būs gatavs uz rītdienas spēlē vai ne?
English.
Spēlē pret Malmö?
Yeah.
English, please, maybe? Okay.
Of course, it's impossible to come on the pitch and to play not on our highest level. Only like that we have to play, and not only against Malmö, but especially against. So sometimes you can play a match and something is wrong. For tomorrow match, of course, we need to give everything and to play on our highest level. Only at that moment we will have chances to achieve this good result for us, and we will try to do that, and we prepare for that. What about Herdi? No, he will not play tomorrow, and he has serious injury, surgery, and a few months he will be out of
Elvis, probably, first squad.
Varbūt Elvis Stuglis būs spēlēt pamatsastāvā vai Roberts Veips, jo tagad arī Herdi Prenga ir savainojums, Niksriede ir savainojums.
Yes, maybe Stugel will play, maybe Veips will play, so I will not tell this exactly.
Okay.
Maybe no one of them will play also.
Nice, yes.
Everyone has to be ready, like Elvis told us. It's really true. Also, when we watch our opponent, when we spoke about our style of game, those players who will not be on the starting squad, they have to understand their roles, to be ready to come and play.
Yes, yes.